Hey babes, and welcome back to the Chanel. Today I thought I would show you guys another little everyday makeup routine, but just a little bit darker of a version. It's still super easy, super simple. I'm not using a ton of shadow colors or a ton of crazy products or anything like that. So I thought it would be really good to show you guys how I do my everyday makeup routine just a little bit darker. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Are you okay? Or if you know, you know. I'm just gonna set that eye base with this lighter shadow. Using the tan shade, I'm gonna work that in my crease. With the brown shade, I'm going to put that on my lid. Now I'm going back in with the tan shade and working that in my crease and just making sure that the two colors are blended together. With a dense brush, I'm going to take the tan and brown shade and put that at my lower lash line. A little tip, just go ahead and take your sponge that has powder on it to clean up any edges. On a dense brush, I'm going to take that gold shade and just put it in the center of my lid. All right, you guys, here is the final look for my everyday makeup, just a little bit darker of a version for when, you know, you're feeling like you need to turn up the notch a little bit. We're done. Yeah, so hopefully you learned something new, or if not, you just enjoyed me beating my face, because let's be real, I needed it in this quarantine state. I was looking a little rough. Sis was not doing so hot. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be back very soon with some more content. Bye guys.